divide 966 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 6 and 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So 966 divided by 6 is 161. So this much for today and thanks for watching.